So that being said, how many of you, yeah, we'll provide the link. We'll provide the link in the chat. Srikanth, can you please provide the link in the chat? So how many of you are working on Tableau? How many of you are working on Tableau? Yeah. So, okay. So, if I'm not wrong, you are here. So you are an ETL developer. You have a good future if you come into Tableau. Learn with Simply Learn. This is a bit different. This type of learning here is a bit different. And all those who raised a hand, just give me some time. We'll get back. Now, for those who are already working, right? And yeah, Bhumika, even without a background, doesn't have any problem. Srikanth, Rituraj is hello, Rituraj, please. I think, and if it is a problem, ask him to rejoin that again. Close that link and again try to rejoin the browser. Okay, so this scenario-based Tableau training is pretty different, right? It's pretty different from whatever training that you have ever seen, because here we are not teaching you the tool. We are making you ready for the real time, real world out there. Knowing tool will not suffice. Knowing tool will not suffice in the current market. You need to be perfect in that. You need to be expert in that, because people who are experts, they are getting somewhere around 20 lakh packages, 25 lakh packages. Not from 15 lakh. They didn't jump from 15, 16 lakh to 20 lakh. There are people, including me, who jumped from 10 to 12 lakhs to 20 to 25 lakhs directly, 100% hike. That is the demand on Tableau right now. And that is what we are going to prepare you for. If you are in for that, please type "I'm in the chat." Please type "I'm in the chat." Please. Because see, to learn something like that, you need to put in that zeal, or you need to put in that effort. Because once you put in that effort, trust me, the total, see, I'm getting so many, people are so many excited. So with a certain potential, now when I'm talking about tool, I'm not talking about me or my training or something. I'm talking about tool, because as a tool, Tableau has a lot of openings right now. Majority of you have seen the lot of openings Tableau is having, and there are companies dying to find people capable of doing proper interviews and getting proper talent into their team. They are not at all taking a step back when they want to give you a higher packages. They are not. I know people in my Tableau. I have a Telegram channel, Tableau Rayapati. In that, there are what do you say? People who said they have 7 offers at a time in hand. That is the vigorousness. That is the number of openings that are present in Tableau right now. That is the market right now, because we stood strong in Corona, right? So majority of the companies are flowing into the India to keep their workflow going on, whatever might happen. Work will not stop in India, right? So that is when the jobs are coming in. So that is why we have launched from the Rayapati. It's me and my sister Kalpana. She's not feeling well, so she didn't join the session. So me and my sister Kalpana have launched this session for scenario-based Tableau training. Guys, please mute. Just scenario-based Tableau training. Okay, let me share my screen for the same. Just a moment, guys. Hello. వదిలే ఏం ట్యాబ్లో సార్ అందులో అవసరమైనవి ఉన్నాయి వేరే ఏం లేవు. ఏమోలే వదిలేసి Okay, so when I'm talking about scenario-based Tableau training, what do we have to offer in this? In scenario-based Tableau training, we will focus on giving you the information or giving you the training based on what real-time requirement is. Now, all those people, just think, all those people who have attended interviews, what is the 90% content of your interviews? Scenarios, right? They will ask you, they will give you a scenario and they will ask you how will you do that. And even in the real time, what is the requirement? Even your company, they will be giving you scenarios, right? They will be giving you scenarios and will be asking you to solve those scenarios. Right? If you generally you build a dashboard, right? Every dashboard is a set of views, and every view is a scenario, right? In our concept, every view that you have in dashboard or every view that you create in your worksheet in Tableau is a scenario. So that is how we focus on scenarios, and that is what we say scenario-based Tableau training, right? So here, before even going to that, let's see what do you get in this. Now, before going into what do you get in this, if you want to join this training, my sincere request is give me 3 months, 3 months of your time, attend the regular live sessions, 2 to 3 hours of day per day practice. I can assure you by the end of these 3 months, you will be equivalent to minimum 4+ years of experience in the real time. I can assure you that. Because we are bringing, me and my sister, both cumulative, we have 16 to 17 years of experience. We are bringing all that experience into this training. Not only what we did in our real time, but also there are many people. I think many of you have, I don't know, might have approached for one scenario or the other to me or my sister, right? Kalpana. So we have a lot of scenarios that people bring to us. We help them solve those scenarios also. We do job support, we do many other things so that we can get a hands-on on these scenarios, which we can provide to you in training. And literally, guys, there are certain scenarios which we give in training, which you cannot even find anywhere in YouTube or online. Right? Along with this, we'll talk more about training. Along with this, we are helping you build your personal online profile in your LinkedIn and your Tableau Public. And why is this required? Because every of your recruiters are looking at your LinkedIn profile, right? They are looking at your LinkedIn profile before even actually getting your candidate. And Tableau Public, literally, I know many of interviews that are being conducted only on Tableau Public profile. They will ask you to open your Tableau Public and will ask you about the viz that you created. And if you have created certain marvelous viz, then that will be your find. Your interview is done because they saw you working on that, right? So we help you build that Tableau Public profile. And LinkedIn, ask any of the HR around you or any of your seniors or even you have been working, you know that. Majority of the jobs, first, how does the job cycle flow? First, jobs, they go to the internal jobs postings, right? In the company, they'll ask for the internal talent. They'll try to fill that opening. Else, they will ask the employees to refer. And if these two fail, then they'll go to Naukri. So I have seen many people putting openings in LinkedIn about that openings because they'll get their referral bonuses and all, or they might be looking a proper candidate for their team, right? Because he should be working with them, right? So they want to get a perfect candidate into the team so that their life will be at ease. So these people, they are coming out and approaching people. So if they are creating content and the content has quality, then they are coming out and offering jobs. Send me your resume, I will refer it within my team. It is not within even company, within their team. So chances of you getting a call and getting a job is more than any other process, right? And in LinkedIn, there are only 1 to 2% of the content creators, and we will help you join those 1 to 2% of the content creators along with the training. And with the focus on ability to, with the focus on scenarios, you will be able to crack your own interview. No proxies, nothing. You know, average proxy costs 1.5 lakh. Like, so you need not even have any proxy. You need not go for any proxy. You can crack interview. I am talking about keeping a novice in mind, a person who doesn't even know Tableau or doesn't even know data. I am telling that person in mind. He can crack his own interview and he can sustain his job. And whatever the openings that we find, because we have tied with certain consultancies which are looking for Tableau developers on a regular basis. So will refer you for the same. And we have a process post job, how to post training, how to, when you get your job, how to sustain in your job. All these things are also there. And only for those, like how do we give this? Let me talk about this in detail. How do we give post training job support? Right. In this, what we are planning is we will be creating one Telegram group for all those people who are Tableau developers. All those people who actually have joined my training. Once the training is done, we'll be adding you to the Telegram group. How does that help? In that Telegram group, me and all your peers and all your people from other batches also will be there. Right? Now, along with me, I'm trying to join certain experts into this group so that whenever you have an issue, there will be a way to resolve that. Right? So that is how you can get a quick support. And if there is a doubt which cannot be addressed here and you want the doubt to be solved, then we will have monthly doubt sessions only for the candidates who took my training. The other trainings, doubt sessions are different. This is exclusively for you, where we will discuss about your doubt sessions, which includes not only Tableau, career, everything that we have. Right? And also we will be bringing in course completion certificates in a short while. So once you complete the course from us, we will be giving you a course certificate under the name of Raipati Analytics. Okay, and we are actually revamping our website. Our website is raipatianalytics.com. We are revamping our website. It is still work in progress. You can go and see there. So once that is done, we are planning to bring in quizzes, assignments, and that output is going to blow your minds, guys, because the management is investing a lot to bring that experience. Like many of you may, like earlier, now we are using Google Drive or something to share the content or everything. But now we are going to create a website where you will have your own login IDs, you can access your videos, and you can again get back to your videos and all those things. Right? Along with that, you have weekly challenges. That weekly challenges also will be present. You'll be part of those. Right? Through this, this is a total eco-friendly ecosystem that we are trying to build here. A very good ecosystem we are going to build so that it is not only about training. Now, see, I am here, me, my sister, and Srikanth. We as a team right now, we are so much passionate about training that we just don't want to see all these points that we came across here, right? That is because we faced all these problems and we found a way to solve those problems. And that is how we came out with this course. It is not only about Tableau training, guys. Trust me. It is not only about Tableau training. It is a complete overhaul of your IT career. We can promise you that. We can tell you all the ways where you can actually create your own presence or self-branding on the online along with the subject, and which will go long way down the line helping you not only with Tableau, anything that you face, any career path that you take down the line, it will help you. Trust me, because I have done that. Srikanth has done that. My sister Kalpana has done that. Everyone has done that, and it is working. LinkedIn is one big and a strong platform which can, if you channelize it and use it properly, it can give you wonders. Now that is all about LinkedIn and all the options that we provide in here. Okay, so if anyone has any doubts, they can ask. Now I am going to talk about what the training is. Before that, if you have any doubts, you can ask. Yeah, you can unmute and ask, guys. Okay. So,
Hello.
yeah.
Yeah, Rajesh, sir. I just wanted to ask, like, how many days in a week the training will be conducted?
We'll come to that. About training, we'll come.
Okay.
I haven't introduced
Okay.
you about the training yet. We'll come to that. Okay. Let me go forward and talk to you about my training. Right now, what is scenario-based Tableau training? Right. In scenario-based Tableau training, we will be discussing all about the scenarios. Now, for that, the total content will be the total that content training contains three sets, which is recorded videos, scenarios, and live sessions. Right? In recorded videos, right? We will be covering theoretical aspect of Tableau. What is set? What is group? What, sorry, what is table calculations and what are the types of table calculation you have? All the important theoretical stuff, which not only in from me, you can find it anywhere on the YouTube, right? So we don't want to waste time of just discussing about those theoretical parts. We will be giving you recorded videos of those theoretical part of that. Along with that, we will be giving you scenarios. So these scenarios, these are real-time scenarios that we faced, or people who faced them in the real time, they asked us. Those are the scenarios that will be present. And these scenarios also consists of those scenarios, or this sheet will also consist of those scenarios, which my prior batch people, right, whoever are working on Tableau, they faced it and they asked us. Also, they also will be present. So this sheet will keep changing for as and when the time goes on, and whenever we get a new task, we keep adding them. Right? That is how we will be populating these scenarios. And we have live sessions. Right? Now, when do you get these recorded videos? Now, this is a weekday batch, right? On Friday evening, you will be getting these recorded videos. The access to this, currently it is via Drive, but once the website is done, you will be getting an update in your account. Now, once you get the recorded videos, you have to watch those videos and try to attempt the scenarios. Now, once you watch the videos and try to attempt the scenarios, you will have first-hand understanding about this about the concept, as well as implementation part is also there. Now, why do we do that? This is for the first level of reinforcement. We give you the scenarios. Okay. Along with that, now why do we give recorded videos on Friday? Because you have weekend to watch. They are self-paced videos. Whenever you are comfortable, you can sit and watch those videos. That videos will pertain to the topics that will be covered in the coming week. Only that set of videos will be given so that you can comfortably watch. Now, once you watch the scenarios, videos, and you have implemented the scenarios, the next total week, right? In these total weeks, all your doubts first will be your doubts, because doubts are utmost important. Because if your doubts are cleared, majority of the scenarios we need not even discuss. You know how to solve them on your own. So that is why our major focus of this total training is to clear your doubts. Whatever doubt you have, even the silliest doubt, we are there to address. And then we will discuss the scenarios that we have already given you. Along with that, if you have any scenarios, we as a trainer, we suggest you be present on Facebook, LinkedIn. There are no many scenarios. Facebook, WhatsApp groups, Tableau WhatsApp groups, and Telegram groups, Tableau Telegram groups. All these, be present there. If someone asks you a scenario and you try to solve that scenario, and if you cannot answer that scenario, bring to us. We'll discuss. We are always hungry for scenarios. If you have, bring it to us. We will definitely discuss it. Okay, so this is how we are going to conduct the training. Now, when the training is going, there are certain points that we need to bring to your notice. Not only the recorded videos of the theoretical aspect, also the live sessions recording will be available for you within 24 hours of your session, right? Within 24 hours. Today's live session happened, the recording will be available for you tomorrow. Okay, and the scenarios that you have, as I already told, we will be discussing those scenarios. It can be any of your scenario, you saw it somewhere, you want an answer to this, you can bring them. We are confident because after handling 4 batches, we are confident that we can address your doubts. Okay, because we faced enough number of doubts and I solved enough. Not only here, I conducted free Tableau doubt sessions long back, weekly Tableau sessions. Now I'm conducting monthly Tableau doubt sessions. And many people approach me in, let it be by calling, by WhatsApp, by Telegram, or in the groups that I'm present. So I have faced so many doubts that I can address any of the doubts that you have. Okay. And first 2 weeks of the training is free to attend, but there is a asterisk mark here, which I will get in the line in the last. But you can use the same link, the link that you joined today, right? The same link. Let me copy the same link. The same link you can use to join the session. Okay, so you can use the same link to join the session. And there is a link. I'll provide the link to this URL. Let me name this. I will be providing the link to the URL. This first 2 weeks of training, previous batch first 2 weeks of training, this is also available for you to understand all those aspects of see, when you are joining in our training, we want you to take an informed decision. It is not just in a hurry. So for the first 2 weeks, you can watch that, how this first 2 weeks of training is going, and then you can understand how the training is going, and then you can take your call, right? And then what do we cover in this training? Now, this is the aspect where I want to go into discussion. See, these are the Tableau syllabus that we are covering in this right now. And this is not limited to only this, because we are planning to bring in an expert who will teach you about Tableau prep also. And someone is asking about integration with Python and R. Yeah, even we are trying to see, when we are only bringing, if we are handling only the part we are experts in. Where we are not experts, we are trying to bring people who are experts. So yeah, integration with R and Python, that will be provided. We are searching for an expert in that. Once we get, we'll definitely address that. Okay. Now, so these are the topics. Now you can have this link. This PPT link is also provided anyways, but you can have this link and you can understand what is the whatever will be covered in here. Okay. Now, this is what we cover in the training, right? So this is about scenario-based Tableau training, and let me show you the first 2 weeks also, so that you will understand how the training is going, right? So these are the recorded videos. This is how currently you will get. We are actually revamping the total website. So this is first week 1 and week 2 recorded videos. This is how those videos are, right? So we will be providing, and the duration we kept like 10 minutes. Like some videos are half an hour, where like when I'm talking about functions, I need to discuss all in one. So that is why it's an half an hour. But else we generally keep it we'll try to keep it within 10 minutes, so that you can watch it at your own pace and comfortably. Right? These are the recorded videos of every topic. When we give this week 1 videos, right? In the first week, we will be discussing about these scenarios till the axis, right? And then in the week 2, we will be discussing all these maps and filters, right? So that is what will happen in the first 2 weeks. You can find that 2 weeks of recorded videos here, and also the syllabus and scenarios. Okay, so week 1 and week 2 scenarios. You can even access this. Okay, so these are the scenarios that we will be covering in first 2 weeks, week 1 and week 2 scenarios. Right? And finally, this will be our live session. Pardon? So you can see batch 4, batch 3, and week 1, week 2 of this is, I think this is a week batch 1 videos. Batch 1, batch 3, batch, I don't know, not sure which one. Batch 3 and batch 4. Every batch videos are present here. It's not only one batch. You can go and watch any live session you want. And you can understand how the training is going. And the link to this is in here. You can use this link. And you can actually understand how the training is going. So any doubts till now, guys? Any doubts or any clarification that you need? I see so many hands raised, and let me go into the comments. Integration with React, I'm not sure, but I can try for that, but I'm not promising, because integration with React, I haven't heard it till now. But if that is possible, as a guys, will there be with respect to Python and R&D? Yes, we are trying to bring in expert, yes. And I hope, yeah, basic topics will be covered. Now, see, this training, whatever we are providing here, this is for keeping novices in mind, the people who doesn't know anything about Tableau. From there, we will start from the very scratch, and there is no advanced course in this. There is nothing. It is one course from very basic to very advanced. We will cover LODs, we will cover relationships, joins, blending. And I promise we will cover the most toughest scenarios also in this. Okay, and you know, I'm good at LODs, guys. I can boast about that. I'm good at LODs, and I will give you a clear picture what LODs are and how do they function. That is my promise. LODs, whatever doubt you have, I can clear that. Whatever level of doubt you have. And that is the most toughest topic people are talking about. People are having problem with LODs, right? So that is where I will come into picture, and I'll definitely 100% I can assure you with 100% confidence that I will be clearing all those. I will be giving you a clear explanation on LODs. And Wahid saying, can you tell me why Tableau, why not Power BI? One line answer. I love Tableau. Literally, I am so much in love with Tableau that I always teach Tableau. And for you, why Tableau, not Power BI? See, Tableau, I'm not talking anything against Power BI. But first thing, Tableau packages are high compared to Power BI. Because Tableau, the tool itself is costly, right? Compared to Power BI, there is a lot of price parity between Power BI and Tableau, and that is where Power BI is actually eating into the market, small and medium level players. Still, Tableau is giving a tough competition, like $70 a month is Tableau's licensing cost. Whereas Power BI, I think in $70 you can get 1 year license. So price parity. But again, it is open secret in LinkedIn that Power BI might be like powerful in, I don't know where it is powerful, but Tableau design wise, the flexibility is in design, the view, the worksheet that you use, right? The flexibility in design wise, Tableau is way too superior than any other tool, including Power BI. And packages, that is what end of the day we want, right? Now in Tableau, you can get package 20-25 lakh packages is very easy to attain. It's not even hard. That too, I'm talking about when you change, I'm talking about 100% high. There are people who got more than that also. So the packages are also high. And learning Tableau is easy because To learn Tableau, all you need is logic. If you have logic, then you can work in Tableau. You need not learn any coding or scripting. If you have logic, you can come and work on Tableau. You can become an expert in it. And that is the best way to enter into the market, right? Yeah, this recording, we will be sending it to you. Yeah, Wahid, I answered all that already. Yeah, the rest also. So any doubts, guys? Sir, I have to put multiple terms like server, admin, consultant. What is the difference in? Okay, wait. Fee structure, I will. Tableau admin. So again, Wahid has asked Tableau admin. Tableau admin we will be covering only to the level that Tableau developer required. Like site admin, I can tell you we will be covering to the level of site admins, right? Like creating users, groups, and scheduling all these things and all. Site admin level we will be covering. Fee structure I'll disclose right now. A SQL will be covered with what do you say? We will be giving you recorded videos, but the focus is more on Tableau. Like we will be covering SQL, but the focus is more on Tableau because if we start SQL along with Tableau, actually traveling on two boats will not give you effective results. But we will be providing recorded videos of SQL. Along with that, I'm planning for a batch once 3-4 batches are done, right? I'm planning to take one batch for SQL for BI tools from very starting of SQL till subqueries. I'm going to take a session on that once like after the training is completed so that you will get your, what do you say, good understanding on SQL also. Okay.
Right, but what about performance tuning?
Performance tuning also will be covered. We will give you the aspect of performance tuning, why it is and why it is not, and every other thing. Okay. Yeah. So fees timings, I'll come to fees, but timings is this batch is from 8 to 9 p.m. 8 to 9 p.m. weekdays, that is from Monday to Friday. Every day 8 to 9 p.m. Okay. See, covering Tableau like deliver shake. Sorry if I pronounced it wrong. Deliver shake, if I'm not wrong. Sorry. Will this course be covering Tableau admins hands-on? See, getting Tableau admin, the problem is licensing. It is not easy, right? So you have that trial period, and someone are saying the trial period is no longer in this. I'm not sure about all those things. But whatever we have about Tableau admin, we will mostly be providing the recorded videos, and for that Tableau admin training sessions, we will be giving you. We will be installing, or what do we say is that trial period. Don't use the trial period of server yet. When you have your what do you say, admin trainings, then you install it. We will show you how to do that. You can practice in that. So that is how we can provide hands-on, because server is hard to get get installed or you having it for a longer time. Okay, Bhumika is saying I have heard multiple terms like Tableau, server admin, consultant. What is the difference? Is there any profile? See, server and admin both are the same. If you are into Tableau server, then you are Tableau admin. And Tableau consultant, it is more into Tableau desktop and a bit of admin, which we will be covering in the training. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Manichan, yeah, performance tuning is also will be covered. We will be giving you recordings recording of the same trainings. You can join once your office call is done, or you can try to prepone or postpone it. That is up again up to your hand. Yeah, is in your hands. But we will be providing the recordings. So from 8:30 to 9, you can join that session. Whatever you missed, you can ask doubts, pause the session. Like after 9, you can ask us. Any other timings next month? We'll hopefully, let's see. Next time we will make, like currently this is the only batch, because we can start only one batch in a month, right? So Alkaja, if you are good with the Tableau, like at least have an understanding with Tableau, you can join the previous batch and continue from there. But that you need to call us. We can talk about the same. Okay. Yeah, so that is about doubts. And if you have any other doubts, you can ask me. Then we will go into the course fee structure and every other thing. So any other doubts about training, guys? All the links for the training are present in this let me share in this options. Let me change it to okay, anyone with this link. So you can access this presentation. Okay, Suhas has structured. What about data cleansing methodology? Data cleansing methodology. That is where I'm saying about Tableau prep, right? Okay. What are the different data structures covered? See, data structures, we are not focusing more on data structures that are being covered. Like you mean to say data sets, right? So when we are talking about data sets, we are using only sample superstore. That is because, yeah, so data source. We are using only sample superstore because currently we want you to focus on Tableau functionality. If we change the Tableau, if we change this, what do you say, data source, again, you need to understand the data source and all the relation between dimensions and all. So that we don't want. So that is when superstore data is self-sufficient. That because superstore data has all, because see, all in my YouTube channel also, all those people who have asked me doubts, I have delivered all their scenarios in superstore data. Superstore data is self-sufficient to have all the variance in it.
Rajesh, the reason I'm asking this question is because I have a data which I receive from let's say CRM domain, which is the customer relationship data, and the SAP ERP, which is related to sales data. So I want to combine these two data and then build a viz on this. So this is where I'm trying to get more insights. That
for that, no. Let me add to what I'm doing. Okay. So what we are doing is we are focusing on superstore data. But once the training is done, right, we are asking you, you can, like, we will give you certain sets of data that certain link which will contain huge data sets. You can go there, get your data set, get your data clean using Tableau prep, what is being taught, and then you can build your visualization and then build your dashboards, right? So with your data, and we will be helping you whenever you are stuck. So you can do your own projects once the training is done. So whatever data you have, you can bring that. If you have any issues, we will be discussing about those doubts. We'll have, once the training is done, we can, till that your project is done for 2 weeks or so, we can have a weekly session where on a weekend or something, where we can discuss about your doubts. And then we can actually talk about your, what do you say, your data set and the project that you have built. Okay, so we are, yeah. Doubt, you can ask. Okay, so morning, you got it, right? Okay. So any morning batches, mostly next month we'll be planning for a morning batch. Mostly it will be 7 to 8 p.m. Sorry, a.m. Indian time. So you can join that batch if you want to. Okay. Now let me go into the fee structures. The fees for the training is 15,000 for a duration of 3 months. Right? The total fee is 15,000 for the duration of the 3 months, which includes all of these and the future support included. As I told you, we will be having a support group, like a Telegram group, where there will be experts who will be helping you to address the scenarios. Along with that, we'll have monthly doubt sessions. We'll be helping you build your LinkedIn profile and all these things. We are going to cover all these things along with the scenario-based Tableau. Okay, but people are asking me like any discounts or anything. So management, it is coming up with came up with certain things. Now the exclusive discounts that are present, and today now whatever I'm going to disclose now, that is what my management gave me right now, whatever. So the discount that is for today, the discount is whoever will enroll in the course on this day, by end of this day, before 12 a.m. this day, the course fees is not 14,000, sorry, not 15,000, it is 14,000 only. Who will enroll by end of this day, there is a 1,000 reduction in the course fee. Along with that, there will be a cashback offer up to 2,000. So in total, you can save up to 3,000. If you participate in this profile building program, which company wants to conduct, and they want to actually spread about this training and this course along with the content that you create. It will help you in both ways. It will help you create content and get more contacts, as well as it will help us spread about our training. So if you participate in that, we are coming up with cashback programs up to 2,000. Right? But this cashback program will be discussed in the third week of the training. Okay, so how are we planning this, and how this cashback system works and everything, we will be planning. And we are planning cashbacks to referrals also for only the students who have enrolled in my course. We are planning to launch referrals. If you refer any of the students to our course, we will be giving you all those referral programs also, which you can earn in the future. Like only if you like this training, you can refer that only if you like this training, and I'm pretty confident you will like this training. Okay, so that is about the discount, guys, and this discount is available only till end of this day. Tomorrow this might not be available, because that is what management has conveyed it to me. So for that, to enroll, you can call to this number 9121314333. You can call to this number and you can enroll in the course. Right? This cashback program will be available even if you join later, but this amount, whatever I'm showing here, this discount will be available only for today. So if you want to join this course, yeah, you have to enroll that today. Right? So that is about the training, guys. So what doubts do you have? Okay, wait, someone have pinged. Yeah, Ria, we will be covering Tableau prep also. We are bringing an expert mostly, and he will be covering not too much, but 2 weeks of Tableau prep. Right?
Actually, it is not mentioned in the Tableau syllabus.
Yeah, that is not yet, because that is not officially is not there, right? But yeah, I promise, don't worry, Tableau prep will be covered. Or let me add right now. Where is the syllabus? So module 8. Tableau prep. Okay, so we will be covering the same in here. Tableau prep will also be. This installment payment is also there. So you can pay 7.5 to enroll the course and rest within a month. So you can call us if you want any installment payment method or something. You can call us. We can discuss on the same. Okay, Manoj Krishnan, Rajpati. Can you please repeat the course fee? I lost. Okay, see, the course fee is 15,000, right? The course fee is 15,000. But if you enroll by today, by end of this day, the course fee is going to be 14,000. And above that, you can earn a cashback up to 2K by participating in the LinkedIn profile building program that we are conducting along with this training. And also, there will be cashbacks for you in the near future. We are, as I'm telling you, we are bringing a new platform altogether, a new website where you can have all these videos, oral referrals, everything will be there. It is one integrated solution that we are going to bring, which will help you in this process. So that cashbacks also you will be eligible once you join the course, right? Only, yeah, Shivkumar. Yes, that is available. that package, you need to enroll today. If you enroll today, you can, if you enroll today, you will definitely get that offer, even if it is installment or not, but the minimum installment will be 7.5. Okay, Karthik is saying how training works. See, the training is, so guys, can you mute? I'm getting the response. So training is of three ways: recorded videos, scenarios, and live sessions. Recorded videos will be theoretical part. Scenarios will be all the real-time scenarios that we faced in while training or while working in this. Please guys mute. All the scenarios that we faced in our 16 years of experience, cumulative, me and my sister, and also those scenarios. If you have any scenarios, you too can bring. So these scenarios will be discussing in the live session along with your doubts, right? So theoretical part, we have separated theoretical and implementation part. Theoretical part you will be getting as a recorded video, and in implementation part we will be discussing in the live sessions.
So these live sessions will be every week?
Every day, Monday to Friday, 8 to 9 p.m. Okay, it is a weekday batch. Every day till for the next 3 months, you will be having a session 8 to 9 p.m. Okay.
So when you say that like you're gonna send recordings on Friday, so we should cover all the recordings in those weekend, and you should come back.
That is theoretical part, right? Yeah, it is best if you can cover that. See, it is self-paced. You can watch whenever you want. So to get, see, the videos which you get on Friday are theoretical parts, on which we will be talking about the implementation part from the next Monday to Friday, right? So if you can watch those videos, it will help you understand more context of it. And yeah, Shashank, can we get a job with good package with no period? Yeah, you can. Provided you give correct enough time to practice this, you will definitely can get.
Hi, Rajeshwar. One question.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah.
So basically, are you providing any Tableau licenses in this course?
Licenses, no. You can use Tableau Public, because Tableau Public is free to use. And
yeah,
Tableau
because you're going to talk about Tableau server, right? So that includes
server. We are talking about, there is a 14-day trial, right? So you can use and understand in that 14-day trial, because Tableau server licenses are way too expensive. We can't afford that. Even in the training part, we can't afford that. Right? Because Tableau desktop itself is license will cost somewhere around 60 to 70,000. Then in server is way too high.
Yeah.
Right?
Okay. How long these theoretical videos are available for access?
1 year.
1 year. Okay.
Okay. See, it is not, we can even extend that over 1 year, not a problem. But main problem is, I know you might have experience. I bought somewhere around 5 to 6 Udemy courses. Somewhere around, I invested on a course, I invested around 1,200 or something, which I didn't yet touch, because they said it is for lifetime. They will be there. We'll not even touch that. So I don't want that to happen. That is why we are keeping this 1 year. Post 1 year, request access will be giving.
Yeah, why I'm asking this question, suppose, of course, we will get a new theoretical concept now, but of course, at later 6 months, maybe Tableau will have new concepts, and maybe you include new videos, right? Maybe you may maintain a central place, so that we all, as a course participant, we always have option to, explore you.
And let me add you one thing. If there is any new additions, we will be providing you like 1 weekend session or something, which will help you get more insight into that. Like if it is a complete overhaul, just like LODs are introduced, relationships are introduced, which are total changeover, total makeover of Tableau. If such things are there, we will definitely conduct a session for all the students so that they will come up to date. Okay. And yes, the access will be provided and you can have it. We are putting this 1 year mark just because we want you to complete within a year. And Ajay is asking some hands-on demo best for all understanding. Yeah, So Ajay, we are providing access using the same link, this one, the same link that you have here. You can attend the sessions 8 to 9 p.m. for the next 2 weeks. Okay, then you can understand how the training is going. And Sai, this is for 1 year, and I can give it to for a lifetime. But if I give it for a lifetime, my fear is you'll not touch that. Like I when I'm a student, I have that tendency. So that I want to eradicate that. That is why I'm saying 1 year. I don't have any problem giving lifetime. Right? Yeah. Any doubts, guys? I see Chitranshu, Kiran, and some others also have raised hands. You can speak up, guys. Please speak up.
Yeah, hello. Hello, this is Chitranshu Bhavati.
Yeah, Chitranshu.
Yeah, actually, mainly 1 or 2 Tableau interviews I have come through. So generally, they are asking questions for Tableau server also. So is that included in the course?
Yeah, server, that which a developer requires, that will always be there. Now, core admin activities we are not covering because we don't even have that bandwidth to cover. But like now by bandwidth, we are looking for an expert who is good at admin. If we find one, we'll bring it. But in this, we'll be covering all those requirements for a developer. For a developer, whatever server is required, like users, groups, like scheduling, publishing data source, publishing your workbook, all these things.
Okay, thanks.
Okay. Wahid say, let's say something we are not able to follow this batch. Can we just again depends on management, and we have provided access to the other batches also, but only when it is how much percentage of the batch is completed, it will depend on that, Wahid, but we will provide you access. End of the day, we are here to make you learn, right?
Okay. The reason I was asking, Raipati, is like the session is from Monday to Friday, 8 p.m., right? And we are parallelly working in the industry. So that's why I wanted to check.
Yeah. And again, you'll be provided with the recordings, right? And you can attend. So whenever you watch the recording, if you have any doubts, you can even attend the session and you can ask us any doubts that you have.
Okay, cool.
Okay. Bhumika, is there any possibility to get the missed session video same day? See, the same day problem is we are trying to automate that. And in that process of automation, the development team has asked minimum 24 hours of time. I don't know, they have their own technical issues. I don't want to dwell in that. I can ask them if they can reduce that time. But for now, what they promised is within 24 hours. Okay. See, when it is technical development guys, then they have their own issues. Right? When they said 24 hours, they might have something in their mind. So that is why they might have asked that. Right?
Hello, sir. This is Rohit here.
Hi, Rohit.
Hey, hi. So, sir, my point is like I already did my desktop specialist certification, but I think it is not helping me to get a job. So I think apart from Tableau, like what are the additional things like you told, like scenario-based things would be discussed. So is it something which would add which will be adding values and like which can add up because like I am from a support background basically. So it's whenever it comes to theory, I can answer it. But like when it comes to some scenario, like I could not answer it like in a way like which will be justifying that I worked on Tableau or having hands on. So I just want to get confidence about this thing that it would be adding some values or I will be in position to prove myself that I worked on Tableau because like I already have like more than 6 years of experience into IT. Okay. So this is the only question which like
talking about that. The total focus itself is on scenarios. That is why we named it as scenario-based Tableau training. So we will be discussing about the implementation part, like what is a set and where do you implement, how do you, and for any given scenario, right? For any given scenario, how do you learn or how do you learn to do more than one way? Because when we are discussing it, we will be discussing one or two possible ways, and we will be giving you a hint. If I solve in one way, we can even give you a hint like it can be solved in this way. Try it. If not, you are not getting, get back to me. I'm always there to. So we will be talking about more about the implementation. So that is what is asked in your interviews or in your real time. And I'm pretty confident you can clear your interview with flying colors if you complete this training. Okay?
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, so Karthik has asked any weekend batches, not as of now, because already a weekend batch is running and we can take only one weekend batch at a time. So you have to wait somewhere around 2 to 3 months for that to complete, 2 months at least for that to complete. So Bhumika, okay, Ramesh, I want to learn advanced. See this okay, let me clear this. Basically, I don't even believe something like advanced learning in any of the topics exists, because as per my understanding, the more you're confident on your basics, the more you can address your complicated scenarios. So in this training, I can tell you I'll be focusing on your basics. And from basics, I will take you to the advanced stages where you yourself can address those scenarios. Right? We will be addressing so many scenarios. Don't worry about that. And we will cover the advanced. See what is the advanced part of Tableau? LODs, relationships, blending. These are and date calculations. These are and actions. Different set of actions in dashboard. These are the advanced topics which we will covering from very basics, and we will be covering all the possible scenarios in them. So the next Google Meet, it is from tomorrow. Tomorrow 8 to 9 p.m. the meeting starts. Tomorrow 8 to 9 p.m. the training starts. You can join that.
Rajesh, what about containers in Tableau?
Containers will be covered, because without that you can't build dashboards, right?
Yeah.
Because for the dashboard structuring of the dashboard, and if you want to have your sheets horizontally or vertically, how do you want them? Everything is possible only with these dashboards. And yes, we will be covering. In which version the training session will be conducted? We will be using the latest version, 2021.2, right now. Yeah, that is recently released. That is the version we'll be conducting the session. And to be frank, Tableau after 2020.2, we can use any version. You can, not me, you can even companies. In my company, I'm using 2022.2.3 is what I'm using in my. We didn't even come to 2021, right? So we'll be teaching in the latest version, and there is no major differences, but I'll provide you a link which will give you all the version wise updates so that you can understand. So there's no much of a difference from 2020. Actually 2020.3 I can say, because they have given some advances in relationship where you can use unequal joins and like in the tool joining condition, based on joining condition, building relationships, all these advances are there. So after 2020.3, if I'm not wrong, you can use any version, but we'll be covering 2021.2. Okay, 8 p.m. Ramesh, 8 p.m. It is 8 p.m. evening times. India times in the evening, 8 p.m. IST. And for that, you can use the same link that you joined today, which I'm providing you here. This is the link. Okay. Okay, any doubts? I think someone, Kiran Kumar raised a hand, if I'm not wrong. Manoj Kumar Ramakrishnan, Rohit P. All these, if you have any doubts, you can ask. Okay, so I think I've addressed all the doubts that you have. Any new doubts in the chat? No.
So Rajesh, I will be connecting from PST time zone, so I will be attending the office at that time. So the option would be for me is like hear about the recordings, right?
You can have the recordings. What will be the India's time in that at that same time period? Hello.
Sorry, what is it?
India time. India, what will be the time by the time? Sorry, for India's 8 p.m. What will be your time?
8 p.m. Yeah, 7:30 a.m.
7:30 a.m. You'll be having office at that time.
Central time. I'll be working for Central time, so it will be 9:30.
You can
Yeah.
attend this thing, right? You can have the recordings, or else you can wait for the next batch, which hopefully will be in the Monday, morning times, India time. So,
Okay.
okay. You can get the recordings, and you can attend anytime you get any weekly, any time you can have any of your times. You can
So you
actually.
have any batches starting? That is your morning time.
That is what most probably the next batch will be in the morning times next month, 3rd week of the next month. So that timing is India decided, but tentatively it will be 7 to 8 a.m. only.
Oh, cool.
Okay. Is Tableau 2 used for paid marketing analysis? I'm not clear about that term, but see, Tableau is a data visualization tool where you'll visualize your data. Okay. So, yeah, if it is visualizing a paid marketing analysis, yeah, you can use that. And Ramesh has asked, can you provide any job interview in Delhi NCR region? I'm not sure. I can look into that. But if I get any lead, you can ping me. If I get any lead, I'll forward that. Wahid, one last question. Should we get access for a Tableau, or would it be for access? It will be Jadam taking 1 year, but I'll give you, if you want, I can even extend that and give you the access. But the core reason about not giving a lifetime access is because I want you people to complete it within an year, right? Now, because you are paying for it, right? So you will have access. Don't worry about that. Okay. So
And
yes.
Rajeshwar, one more doubt.
Yeah.
So do we have any morning batch starting now or in future?
Yeah, next month, hopefully morning 7 to 8 a.m. will be the tentative timings where the batch will start next month. Okay, that is in
Is
October.
there any sorry to interrupt you here. Is there any option for an example, one person attends one batch, but maybe she required to attend another batch as well? So
At
will
the same
you?
time?
No, not at the same time, but maybe let's say 3 months are over and someone feel maybe not that much confident and want to attend another batch also. Will you permit to attend another batch after 3 months?
Again, that is a management's call, but yeah, there is a chance. But again, after completing the training, you will have all the recorded videos and everything, right? You'll have your recorded videos and the live session recordings. We'll also be having doubt sections if you have any doubts.
Okay.
Okay. And there is a possibility that they see, it's again management call, not my call. If they like, I need to discuss that with them, but if they are okay with that, yeah, I'm always okay with that. See, Bhumika, in the video, in the recordings that I have provided, right? So in this link, right? In this link, in the recorded videos, in the week 1 videos, Tableau desktop download and installation. The first video itself is installation. Okay, so just a moment. Let me give you this link. In this link, you will have all the information that you require. Yeah. So this is the Ramesh, you can access this. And Deepa, yes, another timings which will be on next batch, hopefully morning 7 to 8 a.m. And the fees is 15K. And if you join by end of this day, it is 14K. And along with that, there are cashback like for profile building. When you participate in that, there are certain cashbacks up to 2,000 that are provided. And also, there are we are planning to launch referral cashbacks down the line. We have to check with that. And again, it's a management's call. When they call it, then we will have it. Okay. So yeah, any more doubts, guys?
Hi, Rajeshwar sir.
Hi.
Yeah, I just wanted to ask one more thing. Like, if we wanted to enroll, as you mentioned today, So how can we pay the fees and structure
Yeah,
and everything?
you can ping me on that. Once if you ping me or
Okay.
call me, we can discuss on that, and I will tell you how to pay the fees. Okay?
Oh, fine.
Just
Yes.
ping me on WhatsApp. You have this number, right?
Yeah.
Just ping me on this number.
Right. I do. Right. Yes. Fine.
This is what you should ping me on. Okay? Okay. Great. So I think all the doubts are solved. Srikant, can you give that registration link if you have? Or doesn't matter. Please ping me on that number, guys. 9121381433. Okay. Karthik is asking, could you confirm when morning batch starts? Next month, October, there is tentative morning batch 7 to 8 a.m. Okay. Yeah, thank you, Nagendra, and thank you, Shashank and Ramesh. Yeah, thanks a lot, guys. Okay, and also remember,